Joe Beermaster. Today I have a 22 Subaru Impreza. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you where the spare tire location is. If you open the trunk, you'll see this carpet pad. You lift that up. And then you have some of the pieces of the jack assembly. We're going to lift this up also. And there's your spare tire jack. I'm going to move that, move this piece. And then there's a wing nut here. I'm going to take that out. It takes a lot of spins. So we're going to get the tire out, and then we're going to assemble that jack. You got to pull it out from the back first, and lift.
Put all your parts back in.
There's your jack here. We're not going to take that out because we're using a regular jack. And that bar, wherever that got to, there's a lug wrench in here also. You got the wrench here. Gives you a screwdriver. So that's all you need to take the tire off and exchange it. So I hope that gave you enough information to get you going. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.